Hello, welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make Bakso Goreng Udang, or fried shrimp balls. This is not too difficult, and they are very, very good. Now, the ingredients here are pretty simple. I have 500 grams of shrimp. I ended up with slightly large shrimp, but smaller shrimp are just fine. Get whatever you can relatively inexpensively, because we're gonna blend these up, so there's no point in going for the larger expensive ones. We have basically one green onion that's chopped, one egg, 2 cloves of garlic, and then we have some seasonings here. I have about a tablespoon of stock powder. You can use whatever you'd like. Popular here is mushroom stock powder, but maybe you can't get that in the US, so maybe just a chicken broth powder or something. That basically adds more umami and consequently, makes it a bit more flavorful. Active ingredient is probably MSG, so keep that in mind. We also have a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, and 4 tablespoons of tapioca flour, although I suspect you could probably use a cornstarch if you had to. So those are all of our ingredients, although of course we will also have oil for frying. So let's go ahead and get started. So into our food processor will go most of our ingredients at this point. Basically everything except the green onion. But one critical point here is that the garlic should already be either finely minced or pressed. I prefer pressed, but do what you like. And I'm actually going to blend these up with the egg before I add the flour and the salt, etc. But strictly speaking, that's not fully necessary. I'll be back when that's done. So, in goes our flour and our spices, and now we'll basically blend it until it's smooth. Once it's all smooth, we will add our green onion. We will again blend it briefly, and then we'll be ready to start on the frying. And here is our dough. Next up, let's go ahead and get our oil hot, and we'll start forming these into meatballs with a spoon. So, to form the meatballs, I'm just going to take a bit of this here and roll it around on the spoon so we get a nice little ball like that. And as always, I add something small to this. I am reusing some oil today. I usually don't reuse frying oil, but this oil was used to fry some chicken with some spices, so it should have a nice extra flavor to add. And they're done when they have puffed up and just starting to brown a little bit. So I'm going to do all the rest of these, then I will be back for a taste test. And now for the taste test. The texture's on point. Perfect. Flavors, you really get all that shrimp along with the onions, alliums. This is a great Indonesian meatball. The only issue is this time it came out a little too salty. So I don't know if that's just simply because the shrimp had more salt in it or what, but probably next time I'd cut the salt down, maybe the stock powder down a little bit too. Otherwise, this is awesome. Now, if you'd like to see content like this, you'd like to see more of it, please let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to this video and this channel. As always, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.